How to delete your liked songs on Spotify. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your liked songs on Spotify. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of Spotify on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. For that you need to go on the Google Play Store. After going on the Google Play Store, on the top search bar, what you need to do is search for Spotify right here. After searching for Spotify here, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. If you have already done so, then open your Spotify application. After that, you need to go on your library section, which is on the down bar. After going on the your library option, you will see there is the option of liked songs on the first tab. Just tap on the liked songs and then you will see the list of the songs that you have already liked. Now, how you can delete or unlike the songs is go on the specific songs and again tap on the like option, and just like that it will be removed. Or you can go on this section right here and you can tap on remove from this playlist, and after you remove this song from this playlist it will no longer be added to your likes option, and it will also be unliked from the Spotify, and it will be deleted from your liked songs as well. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.